today Shri Sameer Modi, Executive Director of Modi Enterprises. Shri Modi has been a great promoter and representative of the Indian direct selling industry, not just within India, but globally. His dynamic leadership and passion for the direct selling business have culminated in the phenomenally successful venture that we all know by the name Modi Care. Mr. Modi strongly believes that the only way to succeed in a developing nation like India is through economic independence, and there lies the freedom to realize dreams. Following his belief, at the age of 20, he launched India's first direct selling company, Modi Care, with the vision of giving freedom to the common Indian. Ladies and gentlemen, we are extremely ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Shri Sameer Modi for giving a special address to the gathering. Shri Sameer Modi.
Chetan, thank you very much for the generous introduction. I'd like to say a very warm welcome to the panel, to all the members who are here logged on to the IDSA site. I hope that you all are safe and well. It's indeed a pleasure to speak today at the annual general meeting of the IDSA. The IDSA has been instrumental in creating and spreading awareness about direct selling among various social media engagements, and I'm very thankful to the IDSA for doing that. I think the work done by the IDSA in the engagement with central and state government officials to further the cause of Indian direct selling has been truly remarkable, and I wish and hope that this work carries on as we go forward. We are indeed in very special circumstances which have never been seen in the history of mankind so far. I like to quote Lenin: "There are decades when nothing happens, and there are weeks when decades happen." This truly been the state of during the pandemic that most direct selling companies, in fact India has actually witnessed that this is changing times. Most companies have adopted user technology, so as Modi Care, which is now we are more connected even in lockdown than we were before. In fact, in Modi Care, we are doing about 2,800 meetings daily, and I'm sure all the member companies here are doing the same. Robust delivery systems and vast range of product portfolios have helped the common man in achieving his dreams. I believe in this concept of Soch Badlo, Khud Ko Badlo, Dunya Badlo, which truly means that if you can change your thinking, you can change yourself and therefore change the world. And this is truly what direct selling is all about, is changing the world. During this pandemic, we have made sure that the direct sellers don't lose their income and more join the business. Today, in the economies, within the world economies, people are insecure about job security. And I feel the Direct Selling Association and direct sellers companies are a very, very what I would call a good alternative to join. During the lockdown, as shopping malls and shopping complexes were closed, most direct sellers who have essential items reached out to people of the country. They also help in building and improving health by supplying the immunity building products. The industry has always been a torchbearer of the Make in India campaign, because for us, it's not the product that Make in India, it is really our direct sellers who are truly the Make in India product. But they're the ones who are changing India, they're the ones who are bringing income, they're the ones who are bringing jobs, they're the ones who are bringing security, they're the ones who are building happiness. And because of all this, I think the Prime Minister's Narendra Modi's campaign, Make in India, is truly Make in India through direct selling. We have been very fortunate that during direct selling that we have been able to garner a greater share. I feel with us in Modi Care, for example, we are stronger now than we were pre-March. We're stronger in terms of our product portfolio, we're stronger in terms of discipline, we're stronger in making sure that the consumers get their products, and we're stronger in our launching our products. For that, I think I would like to thank the Direct Selling Association for really giving us the belief that we can do anything that we set our minds to. I also like to say that to all the stakeholders here, that as we go forward, it is very imperative that we build trust among consumers to bring clarity. It's also imperative and very, very needed that we differentiate ourselves from the genuine players versus the fly-by-night. There are many fly-by-night operators today in India, and I believe the new direct selling law which is about to come will address this in some way or another to make sure that these people don't exist in India. I'm very optimistic and buoyant about the industry. Like Chetan said, I started this business when I was 25, when I visited the US and found that direct sellers out there were giving large amounts of financial freedom and personal freedom to the people who joined them. And I felt that nothing like this existed in India. 25 years later, I believe that we still have a large scope. Being 15th in the World Direct Selling Association's ranking is not enough. With over 1 billion people, I believe that we can be number one. And I believe that all of us which are in this panel here today and others who are not part of this panel believe that direct sellers are here to serve the nation. Direct sellers are here to make sure changes happen. And I am here to support the Indian Direct Selling Association in whichever way I can to make sure that Indian flag flies high and that Indian direct selling companies not only work in India but become international companies as well. Small steps are to be taken to make sure that we are different in the new normal. With that, I'd like to say a very big thank you to the Indian Direct Selling Association. I'd like to say a very big thank you to the government, the central government and the regional governments for supporting us. I'd like to say a very big, I'd like to salute all the direct sellers in making sure that Make in India, the Atmanirbhar campaign is successful. And I want to assure all of you that if there's any industry that you need to join, then it is the direct selling industry. It not only gives you money, but it also gives you personal growth and gives you personal freedom of choice, which is very, very important. Including today, a large number of women are joining the network. In Modi Care, we have about 50% women who are joining the network. Approximately 10,000 people are joining daily. And this just shows the power of direct selling. So with that, Chetan and the panel here, a very big thank you for having me to speak, and very big thank you for including us in the Direct Selling Association's AGM.
Thank you so much, Sameer ji.